right?
This one?
This alarm is part of IPL, right?
Which alarm?
This LSAL. No, earlier previous one which you shown in the pain rate.
This one?
This two in your go back to your WhatsApp worksheet.
Go back to my Hedgehog worksheet.
See, you
So-
consider safeguard as LAL, right? LAL 030901.
Correct.
This is IPL, right?
Not see. In IPL we don't say IPL. We say safeguard.
Yeah,
In
correct.
Hedgehog,
If
we
you
say-
go, yeah, correct. In ASAP, it is a safeguard. Okay, go to your serial assessment of this loop.
Cell assessment of this cell loop. So what is the loop number? 309 LSL 3
Yeah.
LSL 3091.
Mm.
This is 209 we have taken.
No, go back. 309, 03, not 02, 0309.
This is 309.
Yeah, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah. This is a 2 out of 3 voting, 2, 6, and 7. No?
Yeah.
Now there, just the PSDH and PSV considered as IPL
Yes.
or the degazer. Yeah. This pre-alarm is not considered one.
Yeah. We have not taken. We have not taken.
Yeah.
We have not taken, Guru.
Okay.
And that is not impacting our, alarm prioritization. As I mentioned that this is only to qualify whether this alarm is valid or not valid. This doesn't.
No.
Okay. So where were you? Where were we? I was discussing this one. So this LSAL manual. So
Yeah.
why there will be low level in the separator? First is separator LSAL 30902. So if you see Hedgehog, this is Hedgehog, more flow, low level. So one
Yeah,
LCB,
low level.
one LCB, this one, right?
Yeah. LCP, yeah, that one. If
Yeah,
you
this
see
we have
the
to take
safeguard,
widely open.
correct.
This is widely open.
widely open. Actually, it was there earlier, but you copied everything.
Yeah,
from
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah. Because,
high level, so
because Guru Murthy pressurized me.
yeah.
Okay, good.
On low, it should be this LCP malfunction only on low.
Yes, that we have considered.